So I would like to welcome all of you. Today we are going to discuss the sum of finding the sum of odd numbers quickly. Right? We all know what are odd numbers. We will not go into that, but we'll definitely will find out what are the summation of those numbers. Right? So here we've seen that 1 is equal to 1, 1 plus 3 is definitely is equal to 4, 1 plus 3 plus 5. What I am trying to say is we are adding the successive odd numbers, right? So 1 plus 3 plus 5 is equal to 9, right? So if we go into that, we'll see that 16, 25, 36, 49, 64, right? So I would like all of you to focus on one point over here, right? What is 4? Let's do a square. What is 9? It's 3 square. And how many numbers that we are adding? It's 3. So if you are going to ask me what is the summation of odd numbers till 7 numbers or 8 numbers or 9 numbers or 10 numbers, what I'm going to do? I'm just going to square that number, right? Sum of first n odd natural number is n square, right? If you are going to ask me about 10, it's going to be 100. If you ask about 11, it's going to be 121. And we also corroborated with that, with this, the summation of this. And coming to the second point, if a number is a square number, supposedly if a number like 16, right, and it has to be a sum of successive odd numbers starting from 1, right, 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7. That is just a corollary of what I have said in the previous point, right? So you can easily add now. Whenever you are being asked about, or even if in a certain type of questions you'll be getting, you have to find out the average, right, of first 10 odd numbers. What are you going to do? We are going to just square that number and divide it by the mean value is 10, right, for finding out the average value. It is going definitely to do that. I just want to discuss this special series also. This is a very important series, right? You just need to look over here. S1 is 1. Again, 1 is added to it. It's become 11. Again, 1 is added to that. It's become 111. It becomes added 1, 1, 1, 1, right? So what I want to say, show you over here, this is the pattern, right? 1 square is equal to 1. If you ask me about 11 square, it's going to be 121. If you ask me about 111 square, 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1 square, 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 1. It is not possible for anyone to learn by heart all these values. So this series needs to be looked at and understood properly, right? So what is the series? We'll calculate it by 4, and again we move rightwards, minus 1, minus 3, minus 2, and again 1. 4 minus 3, 2 and 1, again over here 4, 3, 2, 1. If you ask me anything about that, we are just going to make this chart in our minds also when we can be accustomed to it, and we can easily find out the square value, right? And one more series, that is 7 square is equal to 49. 67 square is equal to 4489. Look, you are not going to get these questions as it is, but definitely this is going to help you in the questions where you need to find out the square value of 667, 67, 7 square, and it's going to definitely help you out, right? So what we can see is that here's a pattern, right? And that pattern I have taken away the takeaway points. M6 is followed by 7, right? M6 is followed by 7. Here there is no 6. Here there is no 6. M6 is followed by 7 square is equal to M plus 1, 4. Since there was no 6, we added 1. Value of M will going to be 0, is going to be 0. 0 plus 1, 1, 4 was written over there. Followed by M8. There was no M6s, so M8 is 0. And followed by 9. 9 is going to be the added value, right? If you are going to get 67 whole square, 67 की power 2 है रहेगा, then what are we going to do? M6s means 1 6 is there, and M plus 1 4 is going to be there, followed by 8 M's. So value of 8 is going to be 1, followed by 9 again. So you need to just learn this thing, right? This is a formula. If you ask me, this is it. If you go through that, you are definitely not going to miss out on this special series. And again, you can find out the values. It can come as in the, it can be of useful to you in the number system. You're going to find all these values over there, and you'll be able to sort out your problems easily. Thank you.